After encountering persistent system warnings and spending days testing various solutions, I eventually identified multiple effective strategies to eliminate unwanted notifications, and I'm going to share them with you right now. This video will show you exactly how to fix weird error message pop-ups on older Samsung Galaxy phones, providing reliable solutions for a smoother experience. First, we'll look at clearing the cache partition. This is important because temporary files can become corrupted over time, causing your phone to act strangely and display errors. Wiping this cache cleans out old, bad data without touching your personal files, giving your system a fresh start. Next, updating all your apps is crucial. Outdated applications often contain bugs or have compatibility issues with your phone software, which can trigger those annoying pop-ups. Keeping everything updated ensures apps run smoothly and don't cause conflicts. Then we address resetting app preferences. Sometimes specific app settings get jumbled, leading to unexpected errors. This step resets all application settings to their original state, fixing any hidden conflicts without deleting your apps or data. Finally, checking for a software update is vital. Your phone's operating system itself might have known issues that cause these pop-ups, and manufacturers release updates to fix these very problems. Installing the newest official software can resolve deep-seated system errors, making your older Galaxy phone stable again.